little warm out here. We're out here getting it. KBG welding. We're out here downtown Round Rock. Putting in some porch railing. Guys back there. Georgetown Street, Liberty Avenue. We got a promotion going on. If you're in the Austin, Round Rock area, we're taking submissions for if you know anybody that needs porch railing. Taking submissions. All we're asking is that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and submit someone that's in need, that needs it, can't afford it. We'll be giving them away this summer. So just subscribe, like, follow, all that. Instagram, YouTube. Submission's got to be YouTube for the submission. We'll be giving them away this summer. We also got a special on them. If you need handrail, porch rail, stair rail, welding, let us know. KBG Welding, serving God and burning rods. Thanks, y'all.